How to change your username on OnlyFans. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your username on OnlyFans. So let's start. First of all, open OnlyFans and log into your account. You can use either the website version, which is onlyfans.com, or you can download the app instead. Now after opening the website, enter your email address and password and then log into your account. After you log into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now in order to change your username, tap on your profile that you can see on the bottom right. After that, tap on my profile. Now as you enter your profile, tap on this gear-like settings option. Then after, in order to change your username, you can tap on this username section and then edit it as you like. Make sure the username is available. If the username is available, it will show a tick mark like this. After that, you can simply tap on save and your username will be successfully changed. Furthermore, you can also change your display name by tapping on it, then after using the display name as you like. So in this way, you can easily change your username on OnlyFans. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.